Hello, welcome back to Crochet with Mokot. This is a quick, easy, and fun crochet project that adds instant cuteness. In this video, we'll guide you through crocheting a sweet little bow, a perfect addition to so many projects. We'll start by making a magic ring, which creates a neat center for our bow, and then chain 5 stitches. Next, we'll crochet 5 double triple crochets directly into the center ring. To begin a double triple crochet, we start by yarning over our hook 3 times, and then insert your hook into the center ring. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat it 2 times, and to complete, yarn over one last time and pull through the last loop on your hook. The stitches are taller than regular double crochets, giving our bow a nice shape. To complete one side of our bow, chain 5, then slip stitch into the center ring. Now let's create the other loop of the bow. Repeat the entire process we just followed. completing the loop with the slip stitch, gently pull the center of the magic ring to close any gaps and tighten the loop into its final shape. Cut your yarn, leaving a long tail. Wrap the tail around the center of the bow loop a few times to create the cinched middle section.